Hello everyone, my name is Bushra Ahmed and today I'll be presenting to you the Red Team's concept demo for our social media app, Cardinal. This is our team who has been working together diligently to put this all together. First, we have Sarah, who is our project manager, implementation manager, and requirements manager. She guarantees that all responsibilities are met and the team is working well together with one another. Apart from that, she is responsible for making sure deliverables are running and all requirements are met for the project. Next, we have Steve, who is the planner, who is responsible for the plan of the team. He works alongside Sarah to make sure progress is being made and communication is clear between team members. James, who is our implementation manager, collaboration software manager, as well as the webmaster. He is the tech lead of the team and the software components of the project, along with working with Sarah to make sure deliverables are designed with backups ready to be running. Chris is our design manager responsible for producing the full technical design, which is then used by Sarah and James to write the project code. Keegan is our Unix systems programmer. He is primarily responsible for managing all aspects of the Unix machine and assisting the team using its tools. Alexis is our testing manager responsible for the testing plan of the project. Up next, we have Melissa, who is our documentation manager responsible for the time log and final printed project booklet. Then we have myself as the presentation manager. I overlook all presentation aspects for the project, assuring that the team's work is reported in a clear and concise manner. Brandon is our video and media manager. He is responsible for delivering, recording, and editing the video needed for the project making. And then we have Nathan as one of our floaters who lends a hand whenever and wherever needed by the team, as well as Garrett, who is also a floater. To make sure our project collaboration is seamlessly dealt with, our team utilizes these applications to ensure clear communication and progress. Asana is our form of a visual carry-water document where we add small to big tasks that need to be completed for deadlines. This is where the team members can view what progress has been made, what is being worked on, and what is yet to be completed. Discord, iMessage, and Zoom are our main sources of communication, and Google Suite is heavily used to house all the documents, spreadsheets needed for the project. Our team time log kept track of the hours each team member spent working on the project. We use Google spreadsheets to make this and stored it in our shared Google Drive folder. As you can see in our spreadsheet, each team member has a separate tab where they can record the date, hours, and description of what was being done during this time. Without further ado, let's get started. Cardinal is a social media startup whose intent is to connect users and foster communities. Using our platform, users will be able to share their thoughts and have conversations with each other, forging bonds and creating relationships. These are the software applications used by our team. GitHub is used as our code repository and version control. It ensures that we are able to upload our code and collaborate efficiently and effectively. Node.js is used for front-end scripting and the creation of our web application. This open-source, cross-platform JavaScript environment allows us to create our site. React is used in tandem with Node.js in order to create our widgets and interfaces for our site. This front-end tool allows for more efficient front-end development. And lastly, we have MongoDB, which is used for the creation of our database. This program is good for scalable apps with an evolving schema, so it will be adaptable as our project evolves. Let's take a look into our project. Here we have our code, which can be run to launch our app website demo. First, we have the navigation of the website. The site has multiple pages which can be accessed via the links in the top bar. We have homepage, timeline, and user pages. Posting, where users can create text posts. Once created, they can be edited by the original user and reacted to by others. Friend connectivity, where users are able to friend each other, gaining access to each other's homepages. We have the profile component, where each user's bio and homepage is customizable to suit their individual styles. And lastly, we're exploring options for group interaction, deciding between live chat rooms or private messaging. Once we have finished setting up the front-end framework, we will begin the process of replacing placeholder data with real data updated from the backend and stored in our database. MongoDB will be used to store and retrieve all the data related to users, posts, comments, likes, and interact with the website to retrieve or update all information on the site. And Node.js will act as our server-side request handler that will process the HTTP requests from the client while they are on the website. Cardinal hopes to bring people together and allow for an open space for sharing and conversation. Our short-term goals include completing general functionality of the site and creating a stable database for data storage. Beyond that, we hope to strengthen security to ensure user privacy is maintained, as well as enhancing and polishing current features and adding in new ones. Thank you.